Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 20019. And this is the Brickmaster Slave 1. Now this is a little bit on the larger side when it comes to polybags. This one is 76 pieces. So I'm hoping this is going to be a rather interesting one. If you enjoyed this kind of polybag build along, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I've done one of these a day, every day, for the recent past. So, there's a bunch of them already up on YouTube, if you like this kind of thing. There will be a link to the playlist at the end of the video, if you want. And you can also just get to it from my channel, if you're so inclined. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, I'll include links in the description where you can find it, hopefully on Amazon. This one is a little bit more, I don't want to use the word like hard to, it's a little bit harder to find, so you might need to use the Bricklink link instead. But look on Amazon anyway if you want. I mean, like, comparison shop and see and make sure you find the best deal. But this one's a little bit, I mean, like, it's not like the cheapest of polybags. It's not really super expensive. I want to say this one was like 15 bucks or something when I found it. Something like that. So it's not super expensive, but it's also not like the, $5 or $4 that most of the polybags, or that a lot of the polybags are. But anyway, this is one of the more, I guess, sought after ones. I don't know. I never was really the big Boba Fett fan. I always felt he was kind of, overrated. Too much hype. He just didn't do that much. I mean, his main asset was he looked cool. And I mean, he did look kind of cool, but he also didn't really do anything. He kind of like walked around and got eaten by a sarlacc, or by the sarlacc pit. And if I remember correctly, he got eaten twice. If you go into like the novels and stuff. So he did not have good sarlacc luck. That is for sure. There's got to be a good way for me to move this stuff around where y'all can see everything in the book. Alright, we'll try it like this for now. But yeah, I tell you who I liked a lot from Star Wars, and I thought was like justifiably, like the cool character. I liked Wedge Antilles. Because the thing about good old Wedge is Wedge wasn't a Jedi. He was like some dude who flew an X-Wing, and then some dude who flew a snowspeeder, and then some dude who flew an X-Wing again. So, I mean, like, it was one of those things, like, he didn't have magic Jedi powers or anything like that going for him. He was just a dude. But, anyway, that's just me. Alright. So, let's see. I mean, this is kind of I'm hoping this is going to be interesting looking at the end, and, well worth the extra. I mean, like, it's I think the Brickmaster stuff came out with like a Lego magazine at some point. I don't know. It was during my time when I was away from Legoing, so I'm not 100% sure. At least I'm pretty sure it was during my time I was away from Legoing. Anyway, if y'all are into like the Star Wars books and you haven't taken a look at it, you should check out a series of books called, they're like the X-Wing Saga or something like that. They're basically like the X-Wing books. And what they are is they detail the exploits. No, I'm sorry. It's like Rogue Squadron. That's what it is, right? Is it Rogue Squadron or is it X-Wing? Crap, I don't remember now. Anyway, there's a series of books, and I imagine you can just search for X-Wing or Rogue Squadron. I think it's X-Wing though. But anyway, and what it is there's a series of books about their first series. The first couple of books are about Rogue Squadron, the X-Wing squadron that was the one that attacked the Death Star with good old Wedge. And the second half of those, or the second four, is about Wraith Squadron. And those, I think, are by far the better of the ones. And the deal with Wraith Squadron is it kind of has a almost like a Dirty Dozen feel to it, where you have a bunch of misfits forming Wraith Squadron to do kind of like clandestine missions. And I do something weird. And there's some really interesting characters. One of my favorite characters is they have a like a not genetically engineered, but kind of an engineered Gamorrean who's like a strategic genius. And I don't know, I thought it was kind of entertaining. Oh, okay. I see what I did. I just didn't have them pushed down all the way. So I was like, shouldn't those line up? But yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's an enjoyable series to listen to. I listened to the I read them and then listened to the audiobooks, and they're enjoyable. I enjoyed them. Alright. It's like the first four are about Rogue Squadron, then the next four are about Wraith Squadron, and the last one is kind of just a weird, Wedge goes off and does something kind of one. And still, it was enjoyable as well. So, that goes right there. Yeah. That takes care of that. And then this goes here. This goes here. Yeah, there were some really good books in that series, in the extended universe, and there were some ones that were just kind of rough. If you ever get a chance, another one you might want to check out is there's like the Han Solo Trilogy, and it predates, the Han Solo movie and the assorted stuff related to that. But it was kind of interesting. I mean, I enjoyed reading those. Alright, I'm missing a piece. It's right here. It's hiding right in front of me. Alright, so that goes there. And then these all go right here in the middle, like so. And then there and there. Alright, so here and here. Yeah, I enjoyed the Han Solo books. They were kind of like, I feel like you could almost call them pulp. That they were kind of pulpy, if that makes sense. They weren't like what I would call high class fancy science fiction, but I also enjoyed them. So. Alright, so that goes here, like so, and then we're going to insert it through here. And I'm assuming we're going to add that stuff to the other side as well. So, I need this. Oh wait, what's the order for these? I need this first. this goes in there, like so, and then here, like so, and then here. And let's make sure I line these up, like that. Alright, so that goes there, and then, oh look, that's what I was supposed to do. Alright, so we take care of that, and next we have a 1x3, and this, like so. Alright, so we're going to make some wings. Alright, that goes there, this goes here, and it's going to be like this, like that. That goes there, and then this one's going to be like this, and I'm just going to go here, and then pop it on. Which side is it going? It goes on like this. Alright, so this goes on right here. This one's going to go on right here, like that. And put that one on that side. And so we have it right like this. And this goes here. Maybe this goes here. Doesn't want to go there. Feels like it should though. This goes here, like so. And this one goes here. And this one goes there. And this one goes here. And then put these little, those go there and here, like so. Alright, so that takes care of that. Did I miss anything down there? I did. We got to put this in here. Alright, so this goes down here. Right there. Alright, that goes there. So we put those on already. Took care of that. And now... Am I not seeing it? Oh. There. Different color. So this goes there, this goes there, and alright, this goes here. So that takes care of those. And then we have this like that. And this like this. Ooh. That's kind of cool. That's a neat fit right there. See that? That's a smooth fit. I like that. That's really cool. Alright. So now we got that. We're just going to make the front piece. And so the front piece is going to be this. And it's held together with one of these, two of these, and this. at that. And then we flip it over, and this goes right here, like so. And flip it back over, and this goes here, and this one goes right here. So this is the front of it, like so. Alright, it's seriously starting to look like something. And then, last thing we gotta do, insert this in here, like so. Does it insert in there? Doesn't feel like it'll stay in there, but that's what it says. Insert that in there. Insert that in there. Like so. And then these clip right here. This one clips here. This one clips here. Oops. Yeah, these are going to come off. This one clips here. Like so. So those are our guns. And one last thing that I neglected to do was I forgot to put these two things on the front. It's that critical rule that if ever you have a weird number of even things, something is amiss. Alright. So yeah, these are going to fall off. But aside from that, it kind of looks pretty good, right? Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.